Changing your payout settings on Panopto is essential for managing your earnings effectively. Follow these steps to update your settings easily. Step 1. Login. Access your Panopto account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Find payout settings. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled payout settings or payment information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update payment information. Review your current payout information. If you need to make changes, enter your new payment details such as bank account information or payment method preferences. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout settings, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new settings. By following these steps, you can easily manage your payout settings on Panopto. Regularly check your settings to ensure they are up to date.